Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Geek. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log out of Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Now to log out of Snapchat, grab your mobile device and search for Snapchat application from the app drawer. If you are not signed into Snapchat yet, then first make sure you are signed into it. From the home screen of Snapchat, which looks like this, tap on your profile picture located at the upper left, and from your profile page, tap on the settings button at the upper right corner. From this page, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a log out button under account actions. Tap on it and you'll receive a pop-up which asks you to save your login information. Tap on yes and confirm logout action from the pop-up by tapping on Logout, and there you go. You have been logged out of Snapchat account. To sign back in, simply tap on login and sign into your account again. That is it for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.